This is the newly redesigned handbook in Notion that's now live at docs.dorg.tech. So to start, we let people easily see how they can apply to join to Dorg. We also easily let you get to the most important workflows like contributing to a client project, sourcing a project, referring a member, if you want to help with ops, how to find projects through the Help Wanted page, which is pulling dynamically from our new source of truth, where anything that has an open role automatically appears here with the details. We have a member directory, also same source of truth, where you can easily filter, group, sort, search different members by different fields, which are all kept up to date in a unified way. Similarly, we have the project tracker, where we've loaded in all historical data for all projects Dorg has done, and you have key information like who's the sourcing lead, who's the team, the tech stack, category, start, end date, budget sheet, et cetera, et cetera. And also we have resources like Dorg events, brand kit, et cetera. Now I'll quickly walk through the actual narrative flow of starting from the first page of the handbook and kind of working your way through the key flows. So the big picture, redesigned and reworded a bit to be punchier. We have the structure, which lays out how Dorg's legal entity works and attaches to the on-chain parts, our revenue model, how Snapshot connects to the Gnosis safe, and how we make budgeting decisions using the growth projections and treasury report, how membership works is the rep token, as well as the hiring process, different statuses like active building, inactive chilling, and membership removal, with links to more details on each of these processes. We also created this using Dorg page, which kind of conceptualizes Dorg as a gamified system where you understand really easily, okay, rep, what do I do with rep? What are the future possibilities for how rep can be leveraged? So how do I earn rep? There's been lots of different ways passed in the last year to earn rep through meetups, tweets, guest talk questions, member referrals. So that's all really quickly accessible here, as well as rewritten section on perks where we break down the kind of key benefits of working with Dorg. And this has already been integrated by Miriam in external job postings. The onboarding page is now simplified, thanks to Clara. And we have a page on contributing to client projects. So this has been slightly rewritten to be easier and up to date with the latest kind of project tracker and Airtable that I showed earlier, Help Wanted board. Badges have their own sections here to explain how those integrate into projects instead of them being separated into different pages. The client sourcing process has been rewritten to be a lot simpler, more straightforward. We've added aspects like the qualitative considerations when choosing which client projects to pursue. Like what's the impact of this project? How good is the fit with Dorg's expertise? These kind of qualitative things the sourcing people should consider. Discovery call, team creation, SOW drafting based on forking past project SOWs. And then also the process of managing signing the agreement and invoicing the client is being transitioned to the accounting team. And so this explains that process as well, which should help sourcing people focus on the relationship and quality of service instead of admin. Member referral page, super simple. Just fill out this form about who you're referring. Make sure they fill out our hire form. And the full hiring process is described here, but it doesn't clutter this part that most people would care about. Lastly, we have the section on how to help with operations. Now we have the key information surfaced, like when the meetings are, how to get paid through the budget sheet. This is how the swarm works. Disclaimer that swarm doesn't cover sourcing commissions, how to get a funded initiative started, how to get a funded recurring role started, the current breakdown of members and on internal roles and their responsibilities. And then here's the list of like internal processes that different combinations of specialized members handle. And you'll see on each one, it specifies kind of who's the responsible parties, how the flow currently works. Yeah, thanks.